Managing multi-state employees with one HR system can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, it can be straightforward and efficient. In this video, I'll show you how to simplify HR management for a multi-state workforce using just one system. Whether you have employees spread across the country or you're looking for a way to keep things consistent and compliant, this guide will cover what you need to know. The first step in managing multi-state employees is to choose the right HR software. Not all HR systems are built to handle the complexities of multiple states, so it's crucial to pick one that supports state-specific tax rates, labor laws, and benefits regulations. You need a system that can easily handle these variations to avoid costly mistakes and ensure you're always in compliance. Once you've selected the software, the next key aspect is configuring it for each state where your employees are located. This involves setting up state-specific tax codes, withholding forms, and benefits packages. By doing this up front, the software will automatically apply the correct deductions, taxes, and benefits for each employee based on their location. This saves you time, reduces errors, and helps you stay compliant with local regulations. For payroll management, it's important that your HR system supports multi-state payroll processing. This means it should calculate state taxes for each employee and ensure that payroll taxes are filed accurately in every state where you have employees. A solid HR system will integrate directly with payroll to handle these complex requirements automatically. Another crucial feature is compliance management. Different states have different labor laws, from paid sick leave to wage laws, and your HR software should help you stay up to date on those changes. The right system will notify you when there are updates in any state, allowing you to adjust your policies and practices without scrambling to catch up. When it comes to managing benefits for multi-state employees, your HR system should allow you to customize benefits offerings based on the employee's state. For example, some states may require specific benefits, like paid family leave, and the software should help you stay on top of those requirements. This ensures all employees receive the benefits they're entitled to and helps you avoid potential legal issues. One of the most powerful advantages of using an HR system for multi-state employees is that it centralizes all of your HR data. You can easily track employee records, time off, performance, and more all in one place. This streamlines communication, saves time, and ensures consistency across your organization. Plus, centralized data helps with reporting, which is essential for audits, compliance checks, and strategic decision-making. To wrap things up, if you want to manage multi-state employees with one HR system, make sure your software supports state-specific configurations for tax codes, benefits, and compliance. Look for a solution that integrates payroll processing and keeps you up to date on local labor laws. And remember, managing HR for a multi-state workforce doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's all about choosing the right tools and setting them up properly. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. The link is in the description below, so check it out if you want to follow along and experience how this can simplify your HR management. Key takeaway: by using the right HR system, you can efficiently manage multi-state employees while staying compliant and minimizing errors. Configuring your system correctly, automating payroll, and staying on top of state-specific regulations are all critical steps for success.